Okay, actually, let's get rid of some of the excess stuff here. Alright, so, today's random video, we're coming into some warm weather, and last winter, or actually this winter, when it was really cold, I had this faucet leaking. So it's frozen nicely against the house. Alright, cut. Alright, well, this kind of a random video I'm going to throw up. This is the core of the faucet in the front of the house. This winter it started leaking. So I had to cut it off from the inside of the house and keep it off until I could get around to repairing it. Because I really didn't need the slab of ice coming out from around the styrofoam cup that I was using, the styrofoam cover I was using to cover the faucet with, which in my particular climate works quite well. We don't have many days that stay below freezing, but we do have a few days below freezing. So it was leaking, so you can see that there's a rather deep groove in the washer here, not to mention some cracks here. So obviously this is not sealing very well against the hole that on the water supply side. So I'm actually going to take this apart because I'm wanting to know if there's O-rings in here, because I want to change. If there's O-rings in here, I want to change them as well. Let's see if we can grab a screwdriver to open this up. Let's see. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's just use see how flat works. Well, that's pretty tight. We'll just do this. Let's see if there's anything packed in there. Yeah, there doesn't appear to be anything packed in there, so this is... Although, is there a washer up there? Well, let's see if we can get the main part of my problem here, which is this guy here. Comes right off. Alright. So, let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. That hard? Well, of course, I can... Oh, wow. This is no longer rubber. Well, this is going to get messy. Alright. Just people trying to reach. Let's see. Okay. Well, this is certainly not going. Of course, some of you that are probably laughing your asses off by now, especially if you're plumbers. Probably would just replace the guns of your van and pull out a faucet, just replace that sucker. If you're in colder climates, you actually, if you have this style valve on the outside of your house, it'd be worthwhile investing in the ones that have the actual cutoff portion extended from the faucet into the house. That way, it cuts down the chances of it freezing. The part that's exposed to cold air will drain out because you've cut off, the water is cut off from inside the house with this valve extended all the way to the back, to the inside. You'll see those on your plumbing aisle. They'll be the outsourced faucets with the long shaft extends to the wall. It's a lot more retrofit than I want to do in one day, and I just want to just get this fixed up good enough to get through a few more years. If I don't destroy it. Aha! Okay, so this appears to be just a flat washer. Yeah. That has really been past its prime. So hopefully, in my little assorted kit of washers, hopefully I have this one. Excuse me. Alright, so what we got here? We got, that's too big. Let's see what we got. I had bought this to fix another problem I was having. That too small. And didn't use them for that. In fact, I haven't fixed that problem yet. That problem is going to require heat and heat. Or I may have to replace the whole drain. Alright, we got all kinds of goodies here. So let's see. We got that one, but no, it doesn't fit in there. Too big. Too big. Too small. This is for flared type fitting. Keep going. This is what I expected for this style, but no. Well, darn, I have to go and get a washer. Well, darn. Alright, then I'll be right back. So, the home washer assortment kit, big letdown. Oh, comes with replacement screws. That's cute. So, yeah, we probably got some hose washers, and really don't know what they ever see these. And of course, I could just cut that down and use that. Yeah, let's see. Oh, but the screw would pull right through. Wow. Alright, so that was disappointing. Alright, well, off to the store. And back. Anyway, these are 3/4 inch. Well, they call them number 10 washers. Yeah, 1/2 inch flat washers with a 3/4 inch outer diameter. Looks like a perfect fit. We'll add that to the collection. Let's flip the 1/2 inch over so it's in there. Alright, so we'll put the screw back in like so. trying not to cross thread it and ruining the. There we go. Just gonna press it down into the cup. Well, when I put it in the faucet, it'll squeeze down just fine. It will squish in there when I screw it down. That's it. That's all it takes to replace that washer. And would like to get this off to see. That's on there pretty good. Well, I'm done fighting with this. That's it. This will repair it. I'll go outside, put it back on, give it a quick test, and we should be good to go. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.